Hello friends, this is Nelson Darwin ParkTech channel. In this Matlab tutorial, we are going to learn about the functions in Matlab. Functions are very useful. For example, if we want a single piece of code again and again, we are not supposed to write it multiple times. Instead, we can call our function. So in order to learn the function, we'll come to our code and first of all, we'll write or define our function like function the variable in the square braces which is supposed to receive the values. You can perform any task in functions like addition, subtraction of multiple parameters. But in this video, we are going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So for our ease, I will declare this variable as f as we are receiving our output in Fahrenheit, and I will name my function as C Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can name your functions or function any name you want like this. Now, now I will define its input variable which the user is going to enter. Like I can say I'm receiving a value of Celsius from the user. Now here I am going to define my formula in the returning variable f like this here, and it will automatically return the answer or the final value. F is equal to, as we know that the function of converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, or sorry, Celsius to Fahrenheit is Celsius into 9 over 5 plus 32 semicolon, and I'll end my function here. Remember one thing while saving your code, you have to save your program with the exact name of your function. Like here my function name is C to F. I'll have to save it with the exact name so to make our function work. Now let's save. As you can see, it has automatically grabbed the value of my function. I'll save it in here. Now I will send values to my function like this. The output parameter in which the value will be received, or which will be used to print our final output. The exact name of our function, we can copy it from here and send any value like 15, and it's giving us 59, the exact answer. Hopefully you have understand the logics of the function. For learning more, stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.